moon is made of cheese, are asteroids made of crackers? Join the 3-to-1 science team as we explore what asteroids are made of. In 1801, Italian astronomer Giuseppe Piazzi discovered Ceres. He thought that it might be a planet, but announced that he'd found a comet. It was a mysterious new object lying between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. What to call it? English astronomer William Herschel, brother of famous comet finder Caroline Herschel, first used the term asteroid in 1802. The word is Greek for star-like. Asteroids look like stars, tiny pinpoints of light that are much smaller than planets. But unlike the stars, asteroids move noticeably through the sky. Astronomers use telescopes to find out as much about asteroids as possible. They look at reflected light from asteroids in different colors or wavelengths. Each mineral or material reflects a different amount of light at each wavelength. This is known as a spectrum. The German scientist Ernst Chladni proposed that meteorites have an extraterrestrial origin. Once scientists connected rocks in space, asteroids, to the rocks falling from the sky, meteorites, they began to study meteorites to learn what asteroids are made of. In the lab, scientists can measure the spectrum of a meteorite with a known mineral and elemental composition, then match it up to the spectrum of an asteroid to get an idea of the asteroid's composition. So, what are meteorites made of? 3 major types of meteorites are irons, stony irons, and stones. Irons come from the cores of large objects that have melted and separated their materials into heavier and lighter types. Stony irons have both stone and nickel iron and come from core mantle boundaries. Stony meteorites, called achondrites, are outer layers of asteroids, separated or differentiated from other materials through processes on asteroids such as melting. Other stony meteorites are called chondrites. They have never been processed and stayed as original material for 4.5 billion years. Just as with meteorites, scientists have created very detailed systems to classify asteroids based on their spectra. There are many types and subtypes of asteroids in the main belt and in near-Earth orbits. The OSIRIS-REx mission scientists chose an asteroid to travel to after observing it for years. The spacecraft will travel to a sample of a stony or chondritic asteroid, unprocessed since its formation 4.5 billion years ago. This object is thought to have a lot of carbon-containing molecules, as well as important elements like oxygen and hydrogen. Mission scientists are interested in this type of asteroid because it may hold clues to the origin and evolution of the solar system, and the origin of molecules that led to life on Earth, termed organic or carbon-containing molecules. You can learn more about OSIRIS-REx, Bennu, and asteroids by clicking on the links. This video is an OSIRIS-REx production. OSIRIS-REx is a partnership of the University of Arizona, NASA Goddard Space Flight Center, and Lockheed Martin.